Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. As you guys can see, I just received this package right here, fresh from the courier. And I am so excited to share with you guys what I've got. And as you guys can see, that they put the tape in here. The box is a little bit damaged, a little bit like distorted on the side right here. It was a little bit damaged, and it is, I receive it like this. The condition is okay, you know, but anyway, I am all right with that. That's because this item, it is so heavy. It is almost around 20 pounds. So that's probably the reason why this one actually got ripped right here. So anyway, are you guys ready? Okay. So let me rip this right here. So obviously this is a true unboxing. And I placed this online, and at the checkout, I was told that it may take a couple of weeks, like 2 weeks, to get this item delivered. I'm not sure it was delivered or processed, but all I know is that they gave you, there's a prompt right there saying that it will be delivered within a couple of weeks, as far as I remember. So anyway, but it is, I think it's less than 2 weeks when I received this item. I know that I was so excited. It actually doesn't matter if it may take longer than 2 weeks, because I don't really need it right away. But I just wanted to add this piece in my collection. I think if you are a Louis Vuitton lover, a collector, I think this is a collector's piece, and it is a must-have. So anyway, let me open this box right here. Okay, and wow, it was wrapped nicely with the ribbon, and I've got the receipt right here. And let me take this box. Oh my gosh, it is really heavy. Do you guys have any guesses? So let me just undo the ribbon right here. I hope this is the exact version that I wanted. So this particular item came in with 2 versions, and you are not allowed to pick the version that you wanted. So anyway, okay, I don't think you guys will be able to guess it, but anyway, it is, oh my gosh. Okay, it is a Virgil ABLOH book. So this is, oh my gosh, it is heavy. Oh wow, it is really heavy. So let me just put this one down. So this is the first book on the visionary designer since his passing on November 28th of 2021. Louis Vuitton Virgil ABLOH is a testament of a relationship that changed the course of fashion history. So wow, I am so glad that I was able to get this version. So as I have mentioned, this one has 2 versions of the cover. So the version you will receive may be one of these 2 covers right here, and it is not possible to choose it. And this is the exact cover that I wanted, even though I also like the other one as well. I mean, either of the 2, but but right now I was thinking I wanted to get the 2 version of this cover. So this one right here, this is the one that I am showing. I believe this is actually part of the men's or spring summer of 2022 collection. It is the animated character. It's actually called the Zoom with Friends. I think this is, as far as I remember it last year. I will never forget this collection, guys. When I saw it on the website, and also in person at the store, it was like, wow, this is something different. The animation, wow. So this is how it looks in front. And also, this one was actually published with the same company that the manufacturers that I have there. The company is, I think, the Azuline. Yeah, the Azuline company. It is actually, yeah, it's right here on the side. It says Louis Vuitton with a gold stamping. And at the back, this is how it looks at the back. This is the product code R09018, and it is $120 US before tax. And this one that I've got, it is in English version. Wow, it is really heavy, and this one has around 320 images. It is a hardcover, and it has also 359 pages. Okay, so let me just give you an overview on this book right here. Let me see if I can open it. Open this so that we will be able to see a little bit, an overview on this latest books, guys. So look at that. It is so colorful. I love the cover so much. It is so vibrant. Look at that. At the back as well. This one is made up of, it looks like this one is made up of fabric. The cover though, it does seem to, yeah, it is made up of this nylon fabric, if I'm not mistaken. But wow, this is such a lovely book. And also the other cover as well, as you guys can see, it is like the hot air balloon. As we guys all know, that I think the hot air balloon, it actually, if I may remember, that was for the fashion show of spring and summer of 2022 that pays tribute to Virgil Abloh. Virgil was here. So yeah, I mean, I'm going to contact my SA, or I might probably once again, I will be stalking the website, and hopefully I was able to get the other version of this cover as well. Definitely I will do that. But I did not expect that this is what I got, the cover. It is exactly what I wanted, and now since I've got this, I will definitely gonna get the other cover as well. So let's take a look at inside just a little bit. Okay, wow, it is heavy. So this is how it looks inside. This one has those large text right here. It is just basically about the creative director of Virgil Abloh. Okay, I just saw that one right here. Oh my gosh, definitely a must-have if you're a Virgil Abloh fan. This is such a perfect book for you. Very nice. The binding is perfect. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Definitely, it is a perfect coffee table book. Okay, so wow, I love it. Definitely love the cover. So anyway, I would say, I know that this has already been sold out on the website. I'm not sure if this is a limited edition piece. All I know is that it would be really hard to get hands on this book just because of Virgil Abloh's recent passing, and I would suggest to just stalk the website to refresh it from time to time. I believe that Louis Vuitton updated their website periodically, but you have to act fast. So you could also add, put a notify me on this piece. So once this became available, they will send you an email, but you're gonna have to do it fast because I believe that you're not the only one was actually waiting for this to become available. And if you see it, you could place it on your cart, and when you logged in, it would still stays there even though that it has been sold out. And once you get a notification, or if you have the patience to check the website every day for every hour, or whenever you have time, you know, you might be able to snag one of these. But I know this will sold out. I'm pretty sure about that. So anyway, this is my latest item that I've got from Louis Vuitton. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great weekend. Bye.